In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline monthly bookkeeping in QuickBooks Accountant using the current desktop interface. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable workflow for closing out each month with confidence and keeping your client files organized. First, sign into your QuickBooks Accountant account. Before you move on, make sure you're in the correct company file for the month you're working on. A quick glance at the client name and the accounting period at the top of your screen can save you from rework later. From the left sidebar, under the section labeled Your Practice, click Clients. This hub keeps all your client work in one place and gives you quick access to the tools you'll use most often. Next, click the client or contact name you want to work on. This opens that client's workspace where you'll complete the month-end flow. If your firm manages multiple entities for the same client, double-check you've selected the right one before proceeding. Under the Your Books area, click Client Overview. This is your snapshot of file health. Skim it to spot anything that might slow you down, such as uncategorized transactions, missing bank connections, or unusual balances that deserve attention. Now click Books Review to access the client's transactions. Think of this as your command center for month-end cleanup. You'll move through the key checkpoints here so nothing important slips through. Start in the banking section to categorize and match transactions. Match downloaded bank activity to existing entries whenever possible, and categorize the rest using the correct expense or income accounts. Verify payees, add memos for context, and use rules carefully to speed things up while maintaining accuracy. If something looks unclear, leave it for review and flag it for follow-up rather than guessing. Review the expenses and payroll alerts to ensure all entries are recorded. Look for duplicates, missing vendor details, or payroll items that need attention, such as unposted runs or tax payments. Clearing these alerts early helps your reports reflect the true monthly picture. Generate standard reports under Reports to check for discrepancies. Run key statements like Profit and Loss and Balance Sheet for the month, and scan for unusual spikes, negative balances, or accounts that drift from prior trends. Adjust your date ranges and filters as needed to zero in on outliers. Finally, mark tasks as complete in Tasks to keep monthly bookkeeping organized. Use the checkboxes and notes to document what's done and what still needs attention. This creates a clear audit trail and makes next month faster. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.